everyone. My name is JAGJEET Singh. I am from Jammu and Kashmir. I want to share my few words on my college classrooms. They are well air conditioned classroom and well maintained. We have smart class as well as well maintained classrooms and teachers. We have chief engineers, captains and other officers in our staff. They are so humble regarding our studies. They teaches us very well and we gain so much experience from the experienced persons. And I am very happy because I am studying here. And we also visited a ship at Tuticorin Harbour. This was my first experience regarding I visited a ship. And I am very excited when I saw a ship first time. And when I entered a ship, I was much excited. I can't explain. I want to job there. And I saw a bridge, much more things, just because of James. Thank you, James.